We're here in Big Bear. We just did John Bull and Gold Mountain yesterday, and took my JK out for its first trail. Did really well. Love the 37s, love the anti-rocks. The transfer case felt a little funky with the stick. I don't know if it was me or I don't know. So I need to kind of think about that and figure out what's going on with that. But I wanted to show these new rock lights I got. All they are is they look really cool when it's dark. We did John Bull after dark. 2 of us fell. It was pretty dangerous on that trail. It's so slippery, but had a good time. And I have these new rock lights. These are Wal-Mart little 55-watt lights that show. I like to wheel with my doors off, and it, you know, shows what's outside your door really well. And then I got my KC fogs there, and then for the spotter I put these, I hooked them up to the stock fog light wiring, but it kind of shows what you're looking at as far as the spotter, and it looks really cool in the dark too. So anyways, those Walmart lights were like real cheap, like 15 bucks ish for 2. I put 6 of them on, and then the KC lights. But real happy with it. You know, I think I've got a few bugs to work out, but it did really well. 37s, I mean, they're pretty cool. I've never wheeled with 37s, you know, just the 35s and my old Toyotas I used to have with the 33s, but didn't have lockers. So every time you step up a little bit, you can tell, you know, a difference. So that's it. So I got my rock lights installed. They're 55-watt Wal-Mart lights, and not sure about the battery drain, but this is what they look like. And we're up here on Gold Mountain just checking them out tonight. Should we go up that little obstacle? So I'm getting really close to the end of my build here, and we did Gold Mountain, John Bull, and Heartbreak Ridge over the week, actually 2 weekends ago, Memorial Day weekend, and the Jeep did really well. Had a few, keep finding things I didn't tighten, or a couple bolts I actually didn't even install, so, you know, stuff like that. But I think I've got it all pretty much put together. Luckily nothing fell off. But other than that, I'm about done. And just my transfer case, I think. Maybe a couple little things here and there. I got my rock lights done. And thanks to everybody who's been watching this build and all your kind words. And God bless you, and God bless America, because we sure need it.